पानी आ रहा है.
बारिश को होता है.
Shoot you. Doing also. Hey, it's a runaway. Hey guys, hi, welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So finally we have reached Fun World जो कि बेंगलुरु में ही है. इसकी सारी डिटेल्स टिकट प्राइसिंग की आपको मिल जाएंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इस वीडियो के नीचे. सो इन केस यू वांट टू चेक इट आउट एंड बुक योर टिकट्स यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक आउट फ्रॉम द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. एक बार देखिएगा, यू विल गेट ऑल द डिटेल्स ऑफ इट. इसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी मैंने लिया हुआ है जो मैं यहाँ लगा दूँगी या फिर इसके बाद आप देख लोगे. सो यू हैव लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ ऑप्शंस ओवर हियर. बट बेटर है कि हम भी पहली बार ही आए, बट बेटर है आप थोड़ा पहले ये ब्लॉग पूरा देख के देन ओनली कम, ताकि आपको अंदाज़ा लग जाए कि व्हाट एक्चुअली यू नीड टू ब्रिंग ओवर हियर एंड व्हाट नॉट. सो लेट्स गो एंड explore Fun World. So yes, as I said, when we reached over here, there are 4 sections to explore: Aquarium Paradise, Fun World, Water World and Snow City. So we have explored only Fun World over here, तो आपको उसका ही glimpse देखने को मिलने वाला है. बाकी सारी चीजें हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके थे, इसलिए हमने अवॉइड कर दी. स्क्रीनशॉट आप ले सकते हो प्राइसिंग का, if at all you are going over there and then buying tickets. But if you are booking it online, if you want your experience to be hassle free, definitely you can check out the description box. The link is given over there and you can avail the special offers, of course, which is really amazing. Plus, if you're a student, don't forget to take a valid physical school or college ID to avail amazing student discount. यहाँ पे you'll be getting lots and lots of places where you can take photographs, make reels and lots of loitering places over here. Huge gardens. We went little bit early, so park पूरा open था नहीं. Eateries भी available हैं यहाँ पे, but we have not tried it, so I cannot give review on eateries how it is actually. हम अपना थोड़ा बहुत जो snack था, because Ishita was small, so they allowed little bit of packages of food and all. But better है कि आप चीजें ना ही लेके जाओ, ऐसा ना हो कि आप ले जाओ और वो निकलवा दें. सो इट्स बेटर यू प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली. सो हमने काफी हैवी ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया था क्योंकि हमको पता था कि हमें राइड्स वगैरह करनी है, बट लिटिल बिट स्नैकिंग वी हैड डन. हमने डोसा एंड इडली खा के हम गए थे थोड़ा सा. यहाँ पे जैसे ही पार्क ओपन हुआ था तो फर्स्ट थिंग वाज द किड्स राइड विच वाज रियली अमेजिंग. सो सबसे पहले इशी ने अपनी सारी किड्स राइड्स जो थी शी एंजॉयड अ लॉट बिकॉज ह्यूज एंड एड्रेनलिन रश वाली जो राइड्स थी, it was taking some time to open up. So there are lots and lots of attraction all over there. You'll be finding lots of rides, adrenaline rides, land rides, water rides, kid rides, family rides and lots more. So there is lots to do. You can spend your whole day over here. And the park timings are from 10 AM to 7 PM. So it's a huge timing. आप वेट करके भी काफी सारी चीजें यहाँ एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो.
अरे यार ये तो भाई ऊपर तो नहीं जाएगा ना.
वाह भाई मजा पानी आ रहा है.
बारिश को होता है.
So after this we enjoyed many more rides. And yes, this was the roller coaster, but we didn't try this because not many people were there, so I think it was closed. But let me tell you, iske baad we went to train, of course. So a complete round of the park was given. If you ask me a little bit which one is better, Wonderla or Fun World, so definitely I will suggest you Wonderla is much more better than Fun World. But yes, if you have not explored it, you can definitely take the vibe over there. But if you have to choose between Fun World and Wonderla, Wonderla will be my first suggestion for all of you to visit at least once. After this ride, we went directly to plane ride and train के बाद plane directly. So it was calm rides, and the best part of it was I was just waiting for the एड्रेनलिन राइड टू बी ओपन, क्योंकि उसमें सिर्फ मैं ही बैठती हूँ, कहीं भी जाती हूँ, चाहे वंडरला गई हूँ या फन वर्ल्ड में भी. सो आई वांटेड टू सिट इन सच राइड्स. आई वाज जस्ट वेटिंग, इट वाज नॉट ओपन टिल दैट टाइम. सो प्रोबेबली ये सारी राइड्स कंप्लीट करने के बाद हम उसमें बैठे थे. एंड येस, इट वाज रियली अमेजिंग. कैरोसेल एंड देन डैशिंग कार, इट वाज रियली रियली एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस ओवर हियर एज वेल.
Mama and Papa are in bumping cars, so I am just giving you a little clip. See, I'll show you where they are. So they are there now. So after they are done, so we will meet you at the water park. So let's go.
ए इशिता, इधर देखो. अरे मामा, हाथ तो दिखाओ. इसमें चश्मा गिर जाएगा अगर बैठेंगे तो. आप बैठने वाले हो क्या इसमें? बैठो भाई, मुझे तो बड़ा डेंजर लग रहा है. उल्टा किया मेरे को पक्का उल्टी आ जाएगा.
So as you can see, so many kids options are also available over here. So definitely kids are going to enjoy Fun World. And yes, finally it was the time for the ride which I was specifically waiting for, is the Sky Drop. Oh my god, it's one of the thrilling rides at Fun World which you must never miss out. And if you are an enthusiast of that adrenaline rush wala ride, so yes, this is the one, the Sky Drop. So after enjoying dry rides, we headed towards the water park, which was really, really amazing. One piece of advice over here, if you are bringing your own swimsuits, then it's fine. Otherwise, if you forget or you are just thinking ki we'll buy over there, there is a shop where you get all these things over there in a reasonable amount. Secondly, you can take a screenshot of this which is mentioned over here, which you can see. Definitely you have to deposit 500 rupees for locker, which is quite refundable. Once you are done with all the rides, you'll be getting it back. For shoes and all, they don't allow you to keep in the locker itself. There is a separate section just adjacent to the locker where they give you sack. In that sack you can keep all your footwear and it is free of cost. Once you are done with the activities, you'll be getting it back. So this is really an amazing place where there are lots and lots of rides which we enjoyed a lot. Enjoying Lazy River, we went to Wave Pool, jahan pe we have spent quite some time, and really it was really an amazing experience. So it is, in short, if I'll tell you, this was really a fun time, one time experience you must visit if you are really enthusiast of the dry rides and water park as well. I hope you must have enjoyed this vlog. If you have enjoyed this vlog, do give a big like, and I'll meet you in my next vlog. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye.